All right, 2-box PYT 36. Let's roll this and then we'll see what I'm put up. If I can figure out how much to do it for, how many colors are in there. Probably, I mean, although none of the spots are really that bad. Huh. We got 3. So pick your team, pick your color. First off the line, guys, attack those. I'm still taken back by that comment. I don't know what that means. So we got some full cases full. If you ran that, it'd be how many colors are in there? There's not that many colors in there. Let me check my phone. I can ask. I also got to make sure we have some left. Let's hope we have a 1-of-1 in here. Attack your next hobby, optic too, guys. We're going to run them both tonight. Running both of those tonight. I don't want to run it too late, but I don't want to run it too early, honestly. Maybe I should put that up in this spot. Honestly, maybe I'll do that. And that way when it fills, we can run them both. Because the select's pretty quick. Everyone sticks around for the select. Seems like optic, though, puts people asleep suddenly now. I think Karen's probably already asleep. I don't think he's waiting around for the optic yet. Alamaggio might be. He gets the autos. All right, good luck. Brandon Clark to 199. It's the silver spot. Jaden Hardy to 15 on the auto for Dallas. Nice hit. New Age. There you go, New Age. Nice. Nice hit, New Age. Very nice. AD blue scope for the Lakers. RJ Barrett. Anthony Simons. How about a tie-dye? AJ Griffin for the Hawks. Hawaii to Cali. Nice. Nice Hawaii to Cali. Good hit. 11/25 on the AJ Griffin. Nice couple hits. What up, Chris? What up, what up? Clark. Silver. DeJounte. Jalen. Go from there. See what we got next. Come on, find a 1-of-1. Jason Tatum for the Ticks. Ming, there you go, Ming. Paolo. Dieng on the light blue or on the tricolor. Exclusive of BI for the Pelicans. Pelicans. Joe Adele. Zion Papa. Kristaps. Ty and Maxi. All right, come on, hit something big in this light. That first box is meh. The pick your color is going to go up in this spot, guys. And the next optic's going to go up as well. John Morant. Orange exclusive. LeBron Unstoppable. Malcolm Brogdon. For Ming. There you go, Ming. Jaden Hardy to 30. Nice. Let's go. Let's go, Mavs. Mavs destroy. Nice hit, New Age. New Age. Couple nice ones. Nice break. Nice break for you. Wendell Moore. Wendell Moore. AJ Griffin for the Hawks. Tricolor. Chet. Jalen Terry silver. Ty orange die cut. Caleb Houston on the court side. Tie. No 1 of 1 in here, huh? No 1 of 1 in this case. Blue and Mark Williams on the blue scope. Good case, but no 1 of 1 in that one. That's 3 out of 4 cases tonight without a 1 of 1, but the other one had 2. So let's hope these PYTs have 1 of 1s. I'm going to put up the pick your color here. Nice Mavs break, honestly. Oh, I didn't finish going through these. I'm like, why am I casing? Oh, that was base. Yeah, that was base. Put it down. All right. Take your pick your colors. There's 2 more of those in the store we can do. And there's 3 more PYTs in the store we can do, guys. And there's 1 more optic we can do. So let's attack. Let's attack. Let's attack. I want to run out of time. We run out of time too quick always. No running out of time. All right. All right, recap. Brogdon, Ty. Nice Hardy, B.I., A.J. Griffin, Clark, and a nice Hardy there. Wow. Hardy got them both. Hardy got 2. New Age crushed it. Beat the sort. Let's go. There's a break. All right, those will beat the sort, New Age.